And now let's upscale. I think using 15 tools to produce an image is not feasible. So I always recommend that I wish we could just upscale an image within the app. So we built our own upscaler, and it produces some beautiful results. So I'm gonna apply. While I am upscaling, I'm also going to show you how to use the upscaler. So if I did not want it to imagine too many things, then I would say, give me an image as similar as possible. And if I want to upscale by 4x, I could increase this drastically, but I'm happy with 2. I also feel that 2 is a great size for e-commerce use on the websites. Otherwise, you will increase it too much and then reduce it again. But if you need to go take it for print, then I recommend doing a 2x and then another 2x. That gives you really beautiful results while keeping your fabric and garment accurate.